historical medical fun fact of the day, but unfortunately we have to go back to the epidural. It's definitely important, right? And you know what? It ended up being totally fine. All of the process of the epidural made me super uncomfortable, but it ended up working perfectly. Her legs got numb, and then they started giving her the full dose of the drugs, and
first, and I was like, oh, this is fucking expensive, because I ended up spending like $23 on their meal that was like,
oh
God.
Hi. That's ambitious, dude.
Wow. Anyway.
90-degree angle.
Yeah.
Hi, Bus. How you doing?
Doing bus things.
You got blue screen.
Oh, what the fuck?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Why?
The bus steered him.
I don't know. He just fucking locked it up. Okay, we're just gonna go. Alright, that's cool. What the hell are you doing? What the fuck?
Pick a lane!
Jesus, man, what the hell? HVAC.
No.
Oh no. Not duct tape. We're not duct tape.
No.
Oh god. Sorry, you're getting a butt hurt because you tried to use the wrong lane?
Fine, probably, right? Hello? Can you hear me at least?
I can hear you, yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, my video broke. Well, whatever, we'll just carry on. I'm like, what was I? Oh, yeah. But this person looked at what the facts laid out here and was like, yeah, he lied to you about your pasta and tricked you and then made fun of you.
Why are you switching sides of the road?
I would love it. Let's go. Funny as shit. You would leave distractible immediately. You have to leave distractible. I have to leave. Is that part of it? Can I lie?
Yeah.
Good am I at lying?
I don't know. You're you.
I just lie about it. And I would do a voice while I was co-hosting. I sort of thought I knew what a panic attack was and that, you know, that could be hard for people to deal with. The type of thing that Mandy experiences is a whole other kind of level, and it gave me a new respect for. This episode is brought to you by Coca-Cola Creations. I love Coca-Cola, and I have had Coca.
I can can't go in this way, can I? Fucking dude. Why are we stopping? No, oh my god.
Slow jam, slamming like a cold jam, trying to recoil. Everybody wanna where the boys been. I make a noise again, it's all that matters, right? If you are what you eat, then I'm a appetite. Now that's one hell of a sound like. I really don't know what the fuck you talking about, but it sounds like. Yeah, whatever, fam.
But yeah, she's so nice. She was so nice and cared about me. No one else did. Literally, I don't think I've ever felt love before that. She's a peach.
Jesus, dude.
It's comedy and tragedy. It's ancient and that's my name. And do it out.
What are we doing? Why are we driving 2 miles an hour? Go!
Take away the sensation inside. Bittersweet migraine.
Very low RPMs. But it's not stalling. Ooh, that was fun.